Got it.
Nope.
Looks like 1 o'clock, right?
Yeah. Not sure if that's it, like straight ahead. That might be it straight ahead. It's just got trees around it. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I think I see it. Runs this way.
Yep.
Just, literally just south of that river, isn't it?
Yeah.
Close. Keep it above water.
Yep.
That golf course could use some rain.
Oh my gosh, that looks horrible.
Man.
That looks like a closed golf course.
Yeah, I bet they don't charge 80 bucks a person.
Might be over here. See that real flat space out there?
Yeah.
I think that's it.
As long as it's not a drive-in movie.
Yeah.
There's a little bump.
Yeah. That's it.
There it is.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, good. Right below the sun.
Pine Bluff traffic, Skyhawk 9560 Sierras, 3 miles west, rendering a left downwind for runway 36 full stop, Pine Bluff.
How do you know it's runway 36?
Because it's pointing to the north, and if you land the other way, it's runway 18. So 36 is pointing 360 heading.
360 degrees?
Yep.
100, okay.
And 18 is pointing at 180 to the south, so we're going to land to the north. Pine Bluff traffic, Skyhawk 9560 Sierras on left downwind for 36 full stop, Pine Bluff. Do I get that camera up real quick and hit the record button?
What you need to do once you find it, here it is.
And the very top button, on top, there you go, just hit it once. And there should be a red light come on the corner. There you go.
So it's recording?
Yep.
Where you want me to point it?
Wherever you want, man.
Alright.
Pine Bluff traffic, Skyhawk 9560 Sierra is on left base for 36, full stop, Pine Bluff. Pine Bluff traffic, Skyhawk 9560 Sierra is on final for 36, full stop, Pine Bluff.
You good?
Yep.
Feeling that wind?
Yeah. Used to have a tower, abandoned.
Yeah. Quite a few hangars.
Yeah. We'll head over to the gas tanks over there. And we could probably walk to, I think that building is the bathrooms and stuff.
Okay. Alright, red light went off. I just pushed the button again.
Cool.
I lost the green behind it after a while.
Yeah. Pine Bluff traffic, Skyhawk 9560 Sierra is clear of runway 36, and we're going to taxi over to the self-serve tanks, Pine Bluff. Good that way. Plane looks abandoned.
That's had a tough flight.
Yeah. Okay.
Good?
I think so. Alright, let me shut her down.
Nice job. Yeah, thanks. This is still weird. It's still weird landing this thing.
No, you did good.
Yeah.
I'm still... Well, is that me?
I don't know what that was.
So surprised at how slow you can go.
Yeah, I know,
without
right?
Falling.